doing great. You're doing great. Get your heads down. Get your heads down. Go for the finish line. Go for the finish line. You're doing great. All right. All right. Y'all did awesome. Outstanding. Great job, guys. Every one of you guys did outstanding. Great job, guys. Great job. Winner's going to go up with Jesus here. Make sure you guys give him a hard time, okay? He's a good guy, but give him a hard time. Really? In front of kids, really? Right here.
You again! You're following me everywhere. You're following me everywhere.
I know, I'm following everybody.
Hey, you be careful. That's like my little girl right there. She's like my daughter, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she was my daughter.
She's in every parade with him. Won't leave me alone.
She's my daughter. We look alike, can't you see?
We look exactly alike.